Good morning, headmaster, teachers, and students. Today I'm going to talk about design thinking, which has already been using to solve any aspect of problems in the world for decades. As a D&T teacher, I would like to share with you the following in a perspective view of design technology. The purpose of the design thinking is simply to find out the root cause of problem, work a solution to the problem with problem-solving activities, design and make stuff, and improve our surroundings to give us a better quality of life, save problems in daily life and any specialized aspect of human activities using problem-solving tools. Let's have a look on some innovative design. This is a creative bookcase. The reader can sit it comfortably. Small items like CDs and DVDs can be placed on the top partition. It also provides lighting. It looks awesome and matches to the surrounding of the living room. The chair design is modern and eye-catching. By fitting the different levels of slots, it can be adjusted to suit various ages of people. The strength of this chair design is sustainable and can be used for life. This is a smart bookshelf and provides three dynamic areas. That is bookends, hooks, and display rack. Each square of the solid wood pieces can be freely rotated as desired. It can be extended as required to suit the environment. The high flexibility of this bookshelf strengthens the usage itself. This knife set consists of a slicer, a chef knife, a utility knife, and small paring knife. It's room-saving and can be kept seamlessly on one another. To pick up any one of the knives, you just use the finger to push down the knife tip and then lift up that raised handle with another hand. This lamp design is cool and brief. The LED lighting and supporting stem can be adjusted to any angles. Have a look on this jointing. It can be collapsed when not in use, leaving a form of musical note that is called quarter note. This tripod design is able to support different size supports and pens by sliding the strips. Here's another design of adjustable tripod by flipping and flopping the wooden strips. This package design shows how to keep a set of take-out fast food. The rational design model is not new to you, as you have learned them in your D&T project reports. In design process, the input of design thinking is much more than the output of design deliverables. About 90% of effort is paid for the design thinking activities. Design thinking is generally considered as the ability to combine empathy for the context of the problem, creativity in the generation of insights and solutions, and rationality to analyze and fit solutions to the context. The design thinking process is based on a deep understanding of the audience needs and current challenges, empathy, ideation, thinking out of the box, and collaboration, creativity, and experimentation and analytical thinking, rationality. Now here is an example to demonstrate how to think out of the box. I think most of you know the answer. Just link line dots using 4 straight lines without lifting the pen and tracing the same line again. Let's see the answer. It's beyond this line box. Okay, in the modern design, new ideas are proposed by design institutes such as the Hazel Planet Institute of Design at Stanford. The first stage is empathize. Find out the deep meaning and meaningful needs through observing and engaging. Second stage, define. Reframe needs and insights into an actionable problem statements. And then, ideate. Generate volumes and variety of ideas. Prototype. Visualize possible solutions by creating quick models. The last, test. Communicate with users. Gain feedbacks and refining solutions. In design thinking process, focus and flare are always happen due to the convergent and divergent thinking. On one hand, we create ideas and choices by divergent thinking. On the other hand, we make choices by convergent thinking. The first phase is understanding, which end is insight. That is the focus. Empathize and define stages are commonly called problem finding activities. The second phase is creation, which ends in ideas. That is the flare. Ideate stage is problem-solving activities. And the last phase is called delivery, which ends is reality, the focus. Prototype and test stage are solution testing activities. To put design thinking in action, design activities start with a challenge and then end with a solution after the cycle of design process has terminated at the test stage. How may we a question and immerse? We go out into the world, observe users, and immerse into the topic to find hidden needs and future possibilities. How might we define? By analyzing all gathered information, we define the challenge from a perspective of users. How might we ideate? Using sophisticated methods, we explore a huge quantity of ideas. How might we visualize and prototype? By putting ideas into a tangible visual form, we can explore options even further and test out ideas with real users. How might we repeat? We repeat this cycle until we have created desirable solutions for innovative offers to grow your business. How might we get a solution? Our deliverables are test, technically feasible, and business viable solutions. We will give you prototype which can put into implementation right away. Design thinking applies different kinds of design thinking method to solve problems. For example, rational thinking, divergent thinking, creative thinking, lateral thinking, logical thinking, convergent thinking, critical thinking, vertical thinking, and etc. I cannot mention here. As the time is limited, we cannot focus those thinking methods here, maybe in the future. Here's some interesting lamp design using the forms of ice cream. The design of bottle squeezer combines its function to the form of Coke's bottle. Okay, let's take a moment to think how it works. There's a bookend built by two rack arrows. It simply consists of magnets and metallic strips, which is spanned at right angle on both sides. Here's the idea development based on the application of magnets. Here's the design of pint glass shaped in the form of upside-down beer bottle. This innovative shoe is building up and tying up by using one shoelace. Here's the package for sale. This is the product demo with two models, so it's real. Here's some mindset of design thinking. You should show, don't tell. Focus on human values. Create clarity from complexity. Bias towards action. Get experimental and experiential. Be mindful of process. Collaborate across boundary. KISS principle stands for keep it simple, stupid. Meaning attempt to remove the necessary items. This means keep it short and simple, and keep it simple and straightforward. Tim Tody stands for there's more than one way to do it, a philosophy to allow multiple methods to doing the same thing. Here's an example of using KISS principle to design a pouring unit for a 2-liter bottle of soft drink. This illustration shows how to define the problems, what the solution is, and how to operate the unit in 2 ways. Here's the idea development. This is another example of lamp design. As the initial design select for further development. Now there's lots of problem-solving tools used in design world. Let's raise one of them, 5 whys, to illustrate how this works. And iterate a Q&A question based on explore the cause and effect relationship underlying a particular problem. To determine the root cause of a defect or the problem. This is developed by Sakachi Toyota and was used within Toyota Motor Corporation during the evolution of this manufacturing methodology. Now, example here. The chief in the factory may be asked, why did the machine stop? It blew its fuse because. Why did it blow the fuse? It's because of wrong size of fuse. And then ask, why the wrong size of fuse was placed? It's because an engineer put it there. And why again? Why an engineer put it there? Because it's issued by the supply room. Why the supply room issued the wrong fuse? It's because the stock bin was mislabeled, which is the root cause. The countermeasure should be check the labels of these bins before stocking new fuses. Don't place the bins with similar size and of fuse together. Now the result of 5 whys may be different in other daily problems, such as why did you get punishment? And it's because I'm late to school. Why? It's because I get up late. And why? It's because the alarm clock didn't work. And why again? It's because the battery was flat. And lastly, it's because I forgot to replace them. And also, it's a root cause. So the measure is to replace the battery at set intervals before they run out, or get an alarm clock that's plugged into the mains. But we have another scenario using the same problem. Why did you get punishment? I was late to school. Why? I got up late. And then why? I was tired to get up. Why I'm tired to get up? I was late to sleep. And lastly, much homework to do. Now, this is the root cause of this scenario. So you should do your homework earlier, evaluate, and improve the time management of daily events. Boys, design is crucial and can be found everywhere in the daily life. Please try to explore more about it. Thank you.